guys, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to talk about what is a Kubernetes node, right? We just in a simple term, this is still in our series of Kubernetes for beginners. So today we are going to talk about what is a Kubernetes node. So in simple term, a Kubernetes node is just a virtual machine. A node is just a virtual machine, right? A node is just a virtual machines, and when we talk about Kubernetes node, it is just a virtual machine that lives inside the cluster. That is what is called Kubernetes node. So a node is just a virtual machine, and that virtual machine lives in an environment called cluster. Some people out there also will claim that a Kubernetes node, for example, it's just an overlap around a virtual machine. So a node itself is just actually a virtual machine. And in that node, we have Docker runtime installed, because inside that we are going to have containers, and inside that containers we are going to have actually applications. So a node, in simple, is just an overlap around a virtual machine, or a node is just a virtual machine that lives inside the cluster. So the node location is inside the cluster, and that's what is called node. I hope you like the video. See you guys on the next one.